bijiinaago. All my troubles seem so far away. Now I need a chance to hide away. Oh, I believe in bijiinaago. Bijiinaago, bijiinaago, bijiinaago. Bijiinaago, bijiinaago, bijiinaago. Bijiinaago. Eh, BOOZHOO. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and today our Ojibwe word, bijiinaago. Bijiinaago, yesterday. And I don't know, maybe it's the time of year. I'm finding myself looking back on the year. There's a Robert Bly poem, I forget what it's called, but the last line is, "For the winter dark of late December, there is no solution." And that's what I think about this time of year, you know? Today it's a high of like 6 below, and the sun comes up at 7:30 or something, and it goes down at 4:30. It's a cold time of the year, and it's a nostalgic time of the year. You look back and you think about where you've come. Was it a good year? Was it a bad year? You're gonna make some changes for next year. You're gonna have a resolution. I haven't really thought about that. I should probably think about resolutions. But anyway, that's for tomorrow. That's for Wabang, tomorrow. But today our word is bijiinaago, yesterday. When all my troubles seem so far away. All right, well that's all I have for today. I want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Igawaba min minawa. Hoa. Yeah. Bijiinaago, yesterday.